Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Ola app and logging into the exact account used to book the Outstation ride. Once done, go straight to Bookings and find the trip. Note the booking ID and pickup date/time so you don't cancel the wrong ride. Make sure to check the cancellation window and any listed fees because that affects the refund. This is why you pause here, to avoid unexpected charges and to choose the right cancellation moment. Now tap the Outstation booking entry and choose Cancel Booking. Ola shows a cancellation summary. Read it carefully so you understand the charge and refund estimate. When asked, pick a reason from the list or type a brief explanation, since that helps support and any review process. Confirm the cancellation. Once confirmed, capture a screenshot of the cancellation confirmation and the refund estimate. This evidence speeds up any follow-up and documents timing for disputes, so don't skip it. Finish by verifying the cancellation confirmation and watching for the refund. Refunds go to your Ola wallet or original payment method and can take the stated processing time, often 3-7 business days. If you don't receive confirmation or refund, open Help in the app, go to Bookings, and contact support. Attach the booking ID and the screenshot you took. For stubborn problems, escalate using in-app chat or social channels. Make sure to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.